G'day guys, Dan Damage here from Damage Sync Personal Training, hashtag the Redneck PT. Welcome back to the Protein Lounge. I've got another episode on the Protein Lounge of Kiss Cooking. Now, what I want to do today, scrambled eggs. You know, scrambled eggs. Guarantee you that most of you can't cook scrambled eggs. And especially for, say, on the PT side, is that when people are cooking scrambled eggs, they'll add a lot of crap that you can't really have in a fat burning diet plan. You can probably have it in a lean or a bulk, but once again, in the theme of a lot of my previous videos, I'm just trying to keep it simple, to put it in its truest form and explain to people it's very easy. It's not complicated at all. Because people complicate it, that's why they'll mess it up. Now, I've talked to chefs about this because I do know a lot in the past, because I have a diploma of hospitality. I did that for 10 years. I was more front of house and did a lot more of the wine matching with the food. And my cooking experience is I'm actually a butcher, so it's only basic, and I really wanted to encourage people to get in and realise that if you keep things simple, how easy it is to cook good, healthy food. And you don't need to be a fancy celebrity chef to do it. So, scrambled eggs. Grab a bowl. Eggs, of course. $3. $3 for a dozen. I'm going to use 3 today. Okay. In. Don't add the shell. Now, eggs are a great source of protein. They're, the egg whites have the highest concentration of amino acids out of all the basic protein sources. Okay. So this recipe also be vegetarian. Won't be vegan. 3 eggs, then I'm going to get this egg cup. I'm just going to add just that eggshell of water, that's it. Just that eggshell of water. Just going to grab a fork. You don't need to beat the shit out of it. Okay? You don't need to whisk it. You don't need to turn it into, okay, once again a little bit of texture in there. It's not rocket science. That's it. So that's your mix. I'm going to change the camera angle in a minute and show you how to cook those up. So what you do is when you want to cook them up is you want to get your frying pan and just put it on the lowest setting it will go. This is gas, I'm still getting used to gas. Now what are we going to do with it? Right, so I'm going to show you how to make a meal. So what I've got here is rice cakes. These are actually flavoured. Now, I've been using the thin ones. Okay, you can get thick ones plain without flavouring. And if you've seen previous videos, here's my smashed avo. Okay, I'm going to do just put some of that onto the rice cakes. So if anybody saw how I made that too, it's got like 4 ingredients in it. And hopefully I'll learn how to connect links to all videos and stuff eventually as I build the channel. Yum, yum, yum. smashed. Have it. Now, you've probably noticed I haven't seasoned it, so just watch how I'm going to season it, okay? So, you don't want to add pepper to it because it will change your colour. When it changes the colour, it doesn't look that great. And I'm not really one for aesthetics, but you do like your food to look nice and look appealing as well. Okay, so the pan is just on a really, really, really low temperature, okay? I'm just going to oil it up. Just like a teaspoon, tablespoon. Then you just add your mix to the pan. You don't want to hear it sizzle or anything, you want it really, really low and slow, okay? Then, grab a little bit of salt. Season and touch them. Now what you want to do is just wait until you see it to cook a little bit on the outside, okay? As you can probably see, it's just slightly singed on the outside. You just want to get your spoon and just fold it in. Okay, so it's started to cook a little bit on the bottom there. And what I'm going to do is just change the camera angle so you guys can really get a look as I cook it. Now guys, what you want to do is, it can turn very quickly from nice and fluffy to overcooked, so you just got to be wary. You've got to make sure you keep moving it. It won't take long. Once you see it to sort of start to really thicken up, then you'll actually turn the heat off. Starting to look fluffy. I'll probably turn the heat off shortly because the pan's obviously hot, so it will keep cooking as you do it. So I might actually just turn that off there, and then you keep stirring it like so. Beautiful fluffy scrambled eggs. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Beautiful fluffy scrambled eggs, and there's stuff all added to it. A little bit of water, a little bit of salt for flavour, and that's it. Okay, so probably between 15 and 25 grams of actual protein in there, plus the goodness of the yolk. Obviously, if you are really trying to lean up, you'll back off those yolks a little bit. Okay, spoon it on top. And then a little bit of cracked pepper. And you have a high protein, good fat, a little bit of carb, beautifully balanced, healthy snack. Scrambled eggs, smash that on rice cakes. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all at the gym.